everybody, welcome back to Offroad Diaries. My name is Jonathan. Krista is inside with baby Miles, and they are going to be meeting us at Duder's Diner. So we're riding to Duder's Diner this morning. We'll see you in a second. Made it to Duder's Diner, guys, and look what we found.
Hi.
We found little Miles. Say hi. Yeah, okay.
He's in a mood right now.
He's on the bar, Mike. Anyways, we made it here, gonna eat some good food, and then, yeah.
Good job, Miles.
Miles wants to play volleyball, but I think he's a little too small for that yet, guys. But he's trying. He's trying his hardest. Bring it over here, buddy.
This is me. That's Matt Torrey's one. Yeah, that's it.
Note to self: if you ever come to if you ever come to Duder's Diner, have a wife that brings you guys fuel. She brought us.
Hell yeah, she brought us all fuel.
Yeah,
Look at this.
yeah, she's the savior of the day. Because I don't know if I would have made it back or not. Because my car, she gets okay gas mileage considering it's got a turbo, but it's definitely noticeable. So we're gonna put some gas in there. Public service announcement: if you guys drive a Pro R and you feel a weird vibration and you think it's your drive shaft about to explode, could be your belt. I learned this, I don't know, when I first got this car. If the top of the belt delaminates like this, you end up having to, you'll start feeling like a really crazy vibration, and it gets worse and worse depending on how much of a chunk is gone, and definitely feels like a drive shaft's about to fall out of your car, so could be a belt. Anyways, we made it back, guys. We're just hanging out. Got the new belts installed. Miles is over here hanging out somewhere. Miles, hey, that's not nice. Did she just run over you? She just ran over you.
I got your ball. I'm gonna take it here.
I've been changing this belt 5 minutes at a time, and then I go back and sit down and rest, and then go back to the belt 5 minutes later. That's the advantage of being at home.
Okay, guys, I'm hopping in with Patrick. All right.
Got out of the way.
I got my helmet.
I'm used to being by myself, so.
Oh, I just pushed my finger. Miles is all strapped in. We're gonna be cutting it close to catch the sunset. So we're gonna have to rip. So let's go watch the sunset, guys.
I'm waiting for the right time to change this even more.
why he stopped right there. I don't know. That was crazy, but yeah, that was weird. It was weird. I hope that they're okay. Like that was so super slow. They rolled twice, and there was other people with them, you guys. So, and I had to get my baby. Did you have fun with Daddy? Yeah, you did have fun. Do you like riding? Yeah. Yeah.
Back to camp, stuff in the trunk, parts all cramped, windows down, let the cool air stamp our names in the dark like a secret stamp. We're going back to camp, oh yeah. Laugh till the dawn breaks through the tent flap.
All right, guys, it is approximately Friday, 10:17 p.m.
And it's not a speed.
It's not a speed. I could say so far the speeds have been the most reliable out of this group. Well, that and the Pro Rs. Patrick, we were out for a crazy rip. I forgot to turn my camera on, and Patrick, he shot over.
We lost talent.
He lost talent, and these things happen.
Pour some beer around it.
That's
Beer.
that works.
Lube her up. Like water.
Yeah.
Especially Ultra. So you can see now where it's bubbling out. Hold us.
Ooh, trade me spots. Oh, Coop's getting a revigorating hope. Ooh, hold my beer. When they say hold my beer, there's a good opportunity that something good could happen. All we needed to do is just catch. Oh, it caught.
There it is.
Oh, it caught. No way, bro.
$100.
No way.
I'm $190 an hour.
Okay, guys, so I hate that I did not catch that rod because honestly, we were scooting. Like, we were ripping a good solid 60, 65 at some points. I mean, we were just moving. The fastest I've ever seen military Mike drive in my life. He's officially earned his street cred. But the good news is it's not 5 in the morning like it was last time with Zach when we were sitting there trying to get his car in the middle of nowhere. It looks like this may be a recovery. So I know what you guys are thinking. You're like, we still haven't seen any rotting. Is because now Douglas here. Oh, you got little chunks in there, Dougie.
I know, it's bad.
The other side, look at the felt wrapped around the hole.
I see it, dude. There's a lot happening here, guys. You remember how I was giving y'all lessons on a belt earlier? Here's another lesson. Don't blow it up like this. It's not fun. Doug, can I get any thoughts on this while you're pulling on it? You look like a lumberjack, by the way.
I need a Sawzall and a torch and
some ethanol and a lighter. Because we're going to burn this. Just joking for insurance companies. We were completely joking.
AMG, Billy Joe, trapping out the ghost. Payment time is money, gotta go. Addicted to the game for the show. Met her at the party, she was playing with a big dog. I can get the highs and the lows. 5-star sweet, she ain't never going home. New Kelly Burger, red bottoms on her soul. Made back virtual, only 150 sold. Diamonds in my chain, gold climb when they gleam. Diamonds in my chain, gold climb when they gleam. Diamonds in my chain, gold blind when they gleam. Diamonds in my chain, diamonds in my chain. Get out my face. Not to his back, now you rockin' a Bronny jersey. I been seeing them sirens when stopping on chase, we gon' go for a chase or something. More money, more problems, so give me the money, cause you know I'm a problem solver. I do what I want, you do what you can't, look. I'm by the box, take a look at my drip chat. Take a look at the crib, drip chat. Take a look at the whip, drip chat. Take a look at the chain, drip chat. Look, I stay there with G, I'm rockin' a Gucci, I'm 27 like it's a Glock. I got the keys in my gonna drive, I only should be spinning the block. Diamonds in my chain, gold blind when they blink. Diamonds in my chain, gold blind when they blink. Diamonds in my chain, gold blind when they blink. Diamonds in my chain, diamonds in my chain. Frost bed, ice on my chain. Baltimore got a plain Jane. The money driving insane. I made my first meal before the fame. Candy cane dripping, got me moving like a pimp. Cashed out straight, got it from the dealership. BOA, TD, Chevy on the chase. Trap, had the shoebox before the bank. Diamonds in my chain, gold blind when they blink. Diamonds in my chain, gold blind when they blink. my chain, go blind when they play. Diamonds in my chain, diamonds in my chain. AMG, Billy truck, trapping out the ghost. 7 figures, payment, time, money, gotta go. Addicted to the game for the show. Man, I had to party.
They're trying to make me leave, bro.
I knew they were
They're
trying
to
to
make me leave, dude. That's crazy.
Jonathan's got to go over there and ask for permission to come
That's
hang
right.
out with us.
No,
That's
my God.
ridiculous, dude.
Oh my God.
I thought you just got done saying I'm a thoroughbred canine in this mother.
I'm not leaving, bro. You're making me meow all this stuff
Dude,
out, bro.
I know how hard it is to edit, so I need to make you work a little harder.
Tell them good night.
God,
Tell everybody thanks for watching the video.
Hey, thank you guys for watching. I know you guys had a blast tonight, ripping it. Night rides, the ultimate out here in Glamis. I want to know where the hell everyone else is, because
It's empty. There's nobody here.
It's crazy, but we're having a good time. It's been wild. I know there's going to be some good videos coming from both of our channels, so you guys better tune in. Off-Road Diaries, Lulu's Off-Road, coming at you with some bangers.
Okay guys, so I know I titled this video probably in a way where you thought that something bad would happen to the speeds, but honestly, nothing really happened. I'm going to be as honest and forthcoming as I can, because I do believe in transparency when it comes to like anything. I don't care if it's a Cali or Pro R or Can-Am, it doesn't matter. But I can say this. So the guys that were with us, Shav and Cav, they're brothers, and they have like some of the OG speed cars. And let me tell you, they've gone through some stuff with them. But if you look at the Kawasaki's, I've watched multiple primary clutch explosions and all kinds of other stuff, destroying frames, radius rods from just bad engineering of things. So it just goes to show that you got companies that are as major as Kawasaki and they're still having problems. So I've hung out with Robbie Gordon quite a few times at this point, so I can say that like on a personal one-on-one level, the guy's, he's always been nothing but nice. And can you blame him for being a little confident in his products? I mean, you can't. Now, he has had some failures, and the way that he's addressed them is probably a little bit different than I would have addressed them if I was a manufacturer of a new UTV, and maybe I wouldn't be as aggressive with preaching about my brand new car. But, you know, when you're building something, you got to be proud of it, because if you're not proud of it, then what are you? You know what I mean? So we went through the whole trip. I'm not going to speak a ton more about the speed cars in the rest of the President's Day videos, because I don't know what else there is to really say, but I can say that none of them really had any major issues the entire time, and they duned all day with us every day. We went all over. We even went all the way down to, you know, the Mexican border wall, and they made it. So just keep that in mind, guys. Everything that comes out that's brand new is not necessarily going to be perfect. And I do think that Robbie Gordon has done a lot to try to address the issues, and Shav and Cav have actually been the ones that have been helping Robbie personally address these issues. They are a speed dealer, and if you're in Utah and you have a speed car and you need some stuff done, they're actually authorized by Robbie Gordon to do repairs. They have engines on deck, they have turbos on deck, they have all kinds of stuff. So if you need to get in touch with me, you do own a speed car, reach out to me and I'll get you in touch with those guys. Other than that, we had a blast of a day. It was a great weekend. We're going to do a lot more riding. We had to go hang out with Justin from Lulu's Off-Road a whole lot more, and we just appreciate you guys watching as always. So I'm going to get to finishing this video up. I hope you guys have an amazing night. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video that we put out, and there will be another video coming out on Sunday because I'm actually finally ahead of schedule again. And we're going to family trip. So if you're watching this and you're going to family trip, come hang out with us. Let's go ride together. See you guys later. Have a great night.